Nosebleed Remedy Smoothie Recipe Number 1. Nosebleeds, also known as epistaxis, are a common condition that can occur at any age. The causes of this condition are often related to the weakness or damage of the capillaries in the nasal mucosa. Factors such as dry air, inflammation, allergies, nasal trauma, or even changes in blood pressure can also contribute to nosebleeds. Although most cases of nosebleeds are not a cause for concern, they can be a sign of more serious health problems in some instances. In treating and preventing nosebleeds, the use of natural products, especially hikama, can offer significant benefits. Hikama is known for being rich in vitamin C, a vital nutrient that serves many functions in the human body. This vitamin is a potent antioxidant and is essential for the maintenance of skin, muscle, and bone health. The high vitamin C content in hikama makes it an excellent dietary choice for boosting overall health. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels in the human body and play a crucial role in the microcirculation, facilitating the exchange of water, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and many other nutrients and waste substances between blood and the tissues. Vitamin C is crucial for the synthesis of collagen, a key protein that helps in maintaining the integrity and strength of blood vessel walls, including capillaries. Adequate collagen keeps these vessels flexible yet sturdy. The antioxidant properties of vitamin C help in protecting the capillaries from damage caused by free radicals. This reduces the risk of capillary fragility and permeability, thereby strengthening these small blood vessels. Nosebleeds, or epistaxis, often occur due to the rupture or damage to the capillaries in the nasal lining. This can be due to dry air, physical trauma, or underlying health issues, but is also often linked to capillary fragility. Vitamin C's role in prevention, by strengthening capillaries and improving their integrity through enhanced collagen synthesis and antioxidant protection, vitamin C can help reduce the propensity for capillary breakage in the nose, thus potentially decreasing the frequency or likelihood of nosebleeds. A useful recipe for people experiencing nosebleeds who want to utilize the benefits of hikama is the Vitamin C Boosting Hikama Smoothie. This smoothie not only provides a substantial amount of vitamin C from hikama but also combines other vitamin C sources to enhance capillary health and minimize nosebleeds. Vitamin C Boosting Hikama Smoothie. Hikama, 1 bulb, about 200 grams, peeled and chopped into small pieces. Oranges, 2, juiced. Carrot, 1, peeled and chopped. Fresh ginger, a small piece, about 2 centimeters, peeled. Honey, 1 tablespoon, optional. Thoroughly wash all ingredients. Ensure that you have peeled off the thick skin of the hikama and rinsed it under running water. Chop the hikama and carrot into small pieces for easy blending. Place the hikama, carrot, and ginger in a blender. Add the orange juice and honey to the blender. Blend the mixture until smooth. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy immediately to ensure full nutritional benefits. This smoothie is not only rich in vitamin C from hikama and oranges but also from carrots. Ginger contributes to overall health enhancement and has warming properties, helping to warm the body from within. Honey not only sweetens the smoothie but also provides antibacterial benefits. By regularly consuming this smoothie, you not only supply your body with a significant amount of vitamin C necessary for strengthening capillaries, but you also support the immune system and improve overall health. Besides consuming hikama, maintaining humidity in the air, especially during the winter months or in places with continuous air conditioning, is also an important measure to prevent nosebleeds. Using a humidifier and drinking enough water daily to maintain the body's moisture balance can be beneficial. Additionally, hikama, with its abundance in vitamins and nutrients, has been proven to have superior effects in helping reduce cold symptoms and fever. This root vegetable is notable for its high content of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that can enhance the immune system. Vitamin C not only helps the body fight against bacteria and viruses, but it also reduces inflammation and improves the body's overall ability to recover. This is especially important in dealing with symptoms of the common cold, including fever and fatigue. Hikama contains antioxidants and minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which support the process of hydration and electrolyte balance in the body, crucial during recovery from fever and colds. The fiber in hikama also contributes to maintaining a healthy digestive system, an important part of the immune system that can be impacted by dietary changes when feeling unwell. Moreover, the ease of digestion and mild flavor of hikama make it an ideal food choice when the body is weak and needs easily absorbable energy. The combination of these nutritional elements in hikama makes it a natural and effective method to help reduce cold symptoms and fever, while also supporting the body's recovery process. Incorporating hikama into regular dietary practices, particularly during the colder months or for those prone to nasal issues, can be a strategic move towards maintaining and improving health. Its natural properties, combined with its versatility in recipes like the smoothie, make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their dietary intake with health-supportive foods.